Hey, I'm Scott with Two Extreme Off-Road and Overland Trailers from Salina, Kansas. We're here at the Overland Expo West exhibiting trailers, taking orders if need be. We are a full-service steel manufacturing fabrication facility in Salina, Kansas, whose owner is a big Jeep guy, Jeep Jamborees, got into trailers, couldn't retrofit military trailers, so we just came up with one of our own. And we've stuck to a simple trailer that an overlander / off-roader could buy, and they can customize it to their needs. It's 840 pounds for the trailer, so you can pull it with anything. Timbrens, axle-less suspension, 2,000 pound on the 60-inch trailer. Inside, there's airline track tie-downs in each trailer. We offer two different lid options, a Retrax brand lid by Truck Hero that slides forward, stores in the front. We also do a fabricated steel hinge lid that is hinged in the front and lifts in the back. We offer an overhead rack, and we do offer selected tents and awnings. Feel free to check us out at www.to-extreme.com.